This chicken is real. But a bird never died to make it. And Singapore just put it on your dinner plate legally. Welcome to episode 1 of our 9-part Singapore Food Revolution series. Traditional chicken farming covers more land than all of Europe. 70 billion birds are slaughtered every year. That was the only way until Singapore changed everything in 2020. In 2013, the first lab-grown burger cost $330,000 to produce. It tasted like cardboard. 2020, Singapore said yes to commercial sale. The impossible had become dinner. Singapore's food agency spent 2 years reviewing the science. They interviewed 72 experts, read 12,000 pages of research, and on December 2, 2020, they approved Good Meat's cultivated chicken for commercial sale. First nation on earth. No other country had the courage. Scientists took a small sample of cells from a living chicken, no harm done. Those cells were placed in a steel bioreactor with plant-based nutrients. In 14 days, real chicken tissue grew. Same protein, same amino acids, same taste, chemically identical. The bird stayed alive. Here is what the numbers mean. Lab-grown meat uses 90% less land, 96% less greenhouse gas, 72% less water. If the entire world switched, we could rewild an area the size of Africa. That is not an environmental claim. That is mathematics. India produces 8% of the world's poultry. 14 million farmers depend on it. FSSAI, India's food regulator, is currently drafting lab-grown meat guidelines. The decision India makes in the next 24 months will determine whether Indian farmers lead this revolution or lose to it. ORBIS Verdict. Singapore did not just approve a food product. Singapore approved the future. Every nation watching had to decide, am I early or am I late? Would you eat it? Tell us below. Episode 2, How they actually grow the meat inside a steel tank. Follow so you don't miss it.